We all have a vision. We're dreaming of the ideal school, where the pupils are happy and well educated.
Who shares this dream? The head teacher, of course, the teachers, the pupils, the parents, the school governors, the local community, and the Welsh Government. Everybody's in on it.
By thinking together and working together, we can make this happen. It's time for us to make a difference.
To achieve the vision, we work together on a plan. Everybody's ideas are important, and we all learn from each other. Teachers can learn from pupils, and pupils can learn from the local community. We work as a team to explore and discover new ideas. This is a plan to develop our ideal school. It's been drawn up by talking to each other and talking to other schools right across Wales. They can learn from us and we can learn from them. We use the latest technology to share ideas and information. We're all in it together. At different times, everybody has a leading role to play in developing the school. One of the pupils has a great idea. A local businessman has a suggestion. One of the parents raises a good point. We all trust each other and everything is explored. Everybody who works at the school is given all the help and support they need so that they can play their part. Even the head teacher learns a thing or two. Everybody is playing their part. The pupils are happy and well educated. But we never stop working together on our vision. We continue to develop and learn from each other, across the community and right across Wales. We're all in it together.